In this video, I'd like to address what we mean when we say price is chewing the tail. So you guys have been in the room when we've had price reject and see the video on that. We've had price reject certain levels, right, and come back like that. That's how you end up with these long tails like this, right? So when you hear us say that price is chewing the tail, that means that on the very next bar, price is eating into this tail, right? And in order for it to achieve and overcome the high price that was made here, it has to basically consume the whole thing, right? And as you'll be able to see from the next candle, that's what started, right? So this candle is now eating this tail, right? And it's indicative of the aggressors, or the buyers in this case, coming back and reasserting their power. And the question becomes at that point, will they take out the high there, right? Well, as you can see, they did, and it came back a little bit. But this as a signal would then be nullified, right? Because the extreme has been exceeded. Okay, so hopefully that helps clarify what we mean when you hear us say that. If you have questions about it, need further clarification, ask the trader at theartofsimpletrading.com. All right, we'll talk to you soon.